Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we are going to show you how to retrofit your 2006 through 2012 and a half hotspot or Solana spa with the 76840 Hawk control box and the 76843 topside control panel. Before we get started, let's go over the tools you will need. Tools you will need: Phillips head screwdriver, small flathead screwdriver, 10mm box wrench, channel locking pliers, needle nose vice grips, and a putty knife. Step 1. Disconnect power from the spa. Step 2. Drain the spa. On most hotspot and Solana spas, the control box can be removed without draining the spa. Step 3. Remove the equipment door and the control box lid. Step 4. Locate the heater mounting stud on the back side of the control box and loosen the nut with a 10mm box end wrench. Step 5. Disconnect the incoming power, jet pump, ozone, and heater. Disconnect the jet pump. Disconnect the ozone. Disconnect the heater. Step 6. Disconnect the limb therm, pressure switch, reg therm, spa light, and control head. Step 7. Loosen the heater compression fittings. Disconnect the copper bonding wire and remove the heater. Step 8. Remove the old control box from the spa. Step 9. Install the new Hawk control box. Be sure the correct software for your spa serial number has been installed on the new Hawk box. Otherwise, the spa will be inoperable. Step 10. Insert the heater mounting stud into the opening on the control box and install the heater. Step 11. Connect the copper bonding wire, limit thermistor, regulating thermistor, pressure switch, and spa light. Step 12. Connect the two black heater wires to heater J18 black and J19 white. Step 13. Remove the power cord strain relief clamp from the old box and install it in the new box. Step 14. Connect the incoming power, green to the ground lug, white to neutral, and black to L1. Step 15. For 115 volts, install the power jumper into the terminal block between neutral and L2. For 230 volt spas, no power jumper is needed. Step 16. Connect the heater ground to heater green. Step 17. Connect the jet pump. Connect the white wire to J23 white. Connect the high speed, typically black wire, to J22 black jet pump 1. Connect the low speed, typically red wire, to J20 jet 1 low black. And connect the green wire to jet 1 pump green. Connect the red wire to jet 1 low black. Step 18. Connect the ozonator. Connect the black wire to J21 ozone black and the white wire to J14 ozone. Step 19. Place a strain relief clamp on the ozone cord. Place a plug in the opening above the ozone to prevent mice and other critters from entering the control box. Connect the heater bonding wire to the ground lug on the Hawk box. Step 20. Break the adhesive seal around the control panel with your putty knife and remove the control panel from the spa. Step 21. Remove all the old silicone from the bar top with your putty knife. Wash the bar top with soap and water and make sure it is free from all dirt and debris before installing the new topside control panel. Step 22. Pull the control panel cable down through the opening and into the equipment compartment. Plug the control panel into the J9 control head interface on the circuit board. Step 23. Open the Dow 839 silicone tube and place a 1/4 inch wide bead around the entire perimeter of the underside of the control panel. Step 24. Press the control panel down firmly on the bar top to make a good seal. Use a paper towel to clean up any excess silicone on the bar top and around the control panel. Good job! Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.